Hey everybody, Debbi Starr here. Let me ask you a question. Do you have trouble at the end of tax year gathering together all of your records? Or worse yet, do you sign up for things on an annual plan? So maybe your Zoom or Loom membership, because you can save 20%, you sign up for the annual plan. But then out of nowhere, that annual renewal date comes along and you've forgotten all about it. So how would you like a quick and easy way to track your expenses, to be able to get a running total of everything, and as I mentioned, to be able to track what your annual expenses are so you can plan ahead when you know those things will take place? Well, let me show you the spreadsheet that I've developed that I think you're going to love. And for today's quick little training, I'm not going to get into the ins and outs of how to use the spreadsheet. I've got another training that I can share with you. But what I wanted to talk about today were these annual items. Now, this is kind of, bogus numbers here. But in this spreadsheet, basically you enter all of your expenses for the entire year based on the month that you're in. So here in July, I just signed up for AppSumo Plus. It's a $99 yearly fee, and it gives me, access to inside goodies and, discounts and all kinds of things like that. So I entered it on my spreadsheet so that I've got it for one of my monthly expenses. But now here's the deal. It will renew again next July. How am I going to remember that? So in this spreadsheet, I have another column here, or another tab here. And let me just shrink this down a little bit. So basically what this is, I just enter the information. If I think I'll forget what this is that I just signed up for, I can add the description, the price, and the renewal date, or when I ordered it, and also the URL, either the help email or the URL where I can, if I need to change my preferences and all of that kind of stuff. So in a quick kind of two-step process, I went to my expense master and I put in that expense because I just paid for it. And my rule of thumb is when I'm in the office, if I purchase something, right then and there, when it's top of mind, I just keep the spreadsheet open and I enter the details. And now, because this is an annual item, I can go over to the annual tab and add that, and I don't have to worry about it. So obviously I'm just showing you a sample here, but if you had 10 things that you subscribe to, you could sort the spreadsheet by date so you would know exactly when, so you could kind of prorate when your money is going to be pulled out to pay for these different expenses. And of course, the beauty is in the expense and income masters, you have a running total so that you know exactly how much you're spending, how much you've made through the entire year. So when your significant other wants to know how much money have you made this year, or your CPA person wants to know what your running total on your expenses are, you can just look at this and you're good to go. So I just wanted to share that with you. And if you haven't snagged this, this is a free product that I share. So just reach out and I'll be sure to get you a copy. Take care.